it's about this little red sponge that I love. So I get my glue ready, loaded my brush, and I'm going to paint on here. I do always go slightly into the hairline, which makes my life difficult at the end of the night, but makes my wig stay on better. So paint it on, and then just using the rough side there, the no edge side, we're just going to tap it out, which A, mattifies it, but B, it makes it sort of tacky. You can actually see the glue kind of pulling off. If you find when you do that you get some white, just go in with a little bit of IPA, that will release it. But yeah, I love these.